ngayon pasyalan natin itong boulevard sa Dumaguete City. Kaya nandito na ako guys, at ito yung ikutin natin ngayong araw. Ayan, napapalawak na at magandang pasyalan. Ayan, dito ako, ito yung upuan. Yung ibang part dyan under renovation. Ito seawall. Ito starter dito. Meron ditong mga night market kasi ngayong taon, November year 2024, nalalapit na yung fiesta dito sa Dumaguete City. At meron ditong night market store. So naghahanda pa yung mga tindahan sa pagbukas, at yung ibang mga tindahan dito meron ng display ng mga pagkain. So dito barbecue.
Andun pa kita sa
Seafoods. Meron din ditong mga street food like tempura. Tingnan natin. Meron talaga, hindi mawala yung tempura sa street. Tempura. Pura balot. Street food dito, bukas na ito araw-araw. Ito sa may Pantawan Boardwalk, Dumaguete City. At dito meron din ditong cheese. Meron din dito naglalaro ng cheese. Nasa turman na tournament brother? Wala.
We have weekly tournament, and then we also the big tournament. Weekly tournament and every Saturday, and then we have also a big tournament. We're hosting the Attorney Luigi chess tournament last few months ago.
Ang
So
ideal.
it was done there in Marketplace near Robinson. So participants are within the province of Negros Oriental. So the cash prize is up to 300,000. So we have 3 categories, open categories, 18 under and 12 under.
Pani siya diri po para rin sa mga walk-in kanamo.
Yeah, we have weekly tournament, but on daily basis we have. This is intended for the public use. So this is provided. We're helping the city local government. This is the program of the Judge Rosendo Bandal Jr., President of Chess Master Center. Judge Rosendo Bandal is the FIDE Master. He is an Olympiad representing the country Philippines during 1960s. As a team player, he went to different places, international. One of it was in Germany and in Switzerland. So before he become a judge, he is a FIDE master.
So mo ni siya man ni kuan sa sponsor siya.
That's his legacy. Helping then the local government, the city mayor, Mayor Epe Remolyo, provided us the free facilities. Facilities aside from this canopy, it is spent by the Bandal family, Judge Bandal, his family. And he has also has Bandal Foundation. The Bandal Foundation is cater mo sa mga indigents student na young, free training clinic for the chess.
Pero estudyantera or kuan kapidira ng student scholar ana magareceive.
Scholar, yeah, scholar. So, a while, one of his scholars compete with the tournament in Oroqueta, Osamis. So we represent one of the top candidates to compete the tournament at Oroqueta. So in Oroqueta, it was organized by the Governor Colminal. So it was represented by the GM, Grandmaster Eugene Torre, and then other Grandmaster for them. So ang among tuyo ini is to give the to show the community, to boost the chess community, especially para dili magkuan ka ng vices, especially mga youngster, no? Instead of begging o kauna-una droga, so ano nila spend their time in the chess. So that's the problem of
Muna
chess
siya for
because we are also helping some kind of educational, no? DepEd naman tayo mga sports, no? Activities, just like in the DepEd, Department of Education, so especially sa sports. So ano din sila mag-training, so we're not limited within the time na kids ay ang focus, but we are focusing on the community as well. So mga retirees, no, especially na mga in health, especially like this, they are retirees, no? So
exercise of mind
exercise
and heart.
mind and heart, especially mga Alzheimer diseases. This is good for the Alzheimer disease. Makuan pa, dili na sila malimot pa. So it is purely complements with the Bandal family, especially Judge Sando Bandal Jr. So this is maintaining his legacy. As you can see in the Googles, you know about who is Judge Sando Bandal. So you can just access in the Google. So there are two sides: achievements on his chess career, being a FIDE master, and then being a presiding judge, RTC presiding judge.
Thank you sa time, sir. Jerry. So, thank you sa very informative information about the cheese sponsor here in Dumaguete City. So, ipanaliwanag ni Kuya yung whole story ng purpose at benefits ng paggawa ng at paglaro ng cheese. Ginagawa nilang project dito sa plaza sa Dumaguete City, Boardwalk. So, ngayon patuloy tayo na mamamasyal dito sa plaza at makikita ninyo guys yung mga stall. Mayroon din dito mga commercial stall. Dito mga damit. At actually open lang ito para sa lahat. Dito sa dulo meron kayong makikita dito na dagat, lasa dagat sa harap. This very beautiful. So dito na side is yung mga parking sa merong mga sasakyan. Maraming upuan, meron pa dito. Malawak yung sala natin. So ito na area ganito, ito pwede itong upuan, yan, pwede nga umupo dito. Okay lang yan. At ito yung flag. City of Dumaguete, yan. Wow, so clean. Okay. Sa dyan na part under renovation, naayos pa dyan. Karugtong yan doon, dito papunta doon, so magkadugtong yan. Pero sa ngayon, no, ngayong taon, year 2024, month of November, still under renovation for a better and beautiful place. Mas lalong pinaganda ang boardwalk